Features or functions of an operating system. The various features of an operating system are given as memory management. It keeps tracks of the allocation and deallocation of memory, part of the memory in use or not in use, etc. Input or output management. An operating system is responsible for managing and handling different types of inputs from keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc., and various types of output, soft copy and hard copy, in an appropriate manner. No more. An electronic copy of data which is displayed on the monitor screen, such as MS Word file, is referred to as soft copy. We can transfer the soft copies of files through email from one system to another. A printed form of information on a paper is called hard copy or printout. Job accounting. It keeps track of the execution time and resources used by various processes and/or users. It also keeps track of creating and deleting files and directories to organize them, decision regarding storage of files, and so on. Quick quiz. What is an operating system? Device management. It keeps track of all devices attached to the system or connected through a network. It is also called I or O controller that decides which request or process initiated by the user will get the device, when and for how much time. It also hides the peculiarities of the specific hardware devices from the user. Devices are sometimes referred to as peripheral devices to emphasize the fact that they are additional to the computer system. A device driver is a software used to allow interaction with the hardware devices. For example, to use a printer, the device driver of printer has to be installed. No more. The CPU speed or clock rate is defined as how many clock cycles a CPU can perform per second. It is measured in hertz or gigahertz, GHz. Processor management. It allocates and deallocates the processor, CPU, as required by the user. Also keeps track of the CPU speed, suspending and resuming processes, and so on. Security. It prevents unauthorized access to programs and data by means of passwords and similar other authentication techniques. Error detecting aids. It displays the error messages when any problem occurs and also initiates debugging and error detecting methods. Coordination between language processors or software and users. It coordinates and assigns the language processors like compilers, interpreters, assemblers, and other application softwares to the various users of the computer systems. No more. Assembler. Written for a particular hardware. Converts assembly language into machine language. Translates the entire program before running. Compiler. Written for a particular language. Converts high-level language into machine language. Translates the entire program before running. Interpreter. Written for a particular language. Converts high-level language into some form of intermediate language. Translates the program line by line until completed or error is found.